ये बाइक पे करा देना इसके बाद
तो जी फ्री अब अभी ले लीजिए ना राइट नाउ
I just finished. I'm just.
yeah let her just finish eating yeah
we are taking footage
just when she's
okay
then they'll take you
Who else are you expecting?
there are more people coming right now like I'm just talking to them calling them up.
I'll do it a little later.
okay no issue after 10 minutes 10 hours
But some people come.
it's okay
But I don't want to go out alone. Let her. Yeah.
Okay, I really understand.
Where are they?
They're just coming. Some problem happened. Just give me 10 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Just give me 2 minutes. Should be here.
Sure.
Yeah.
नहीं छोड़ो ना
मत किया
हेलो
Then it looks nice. You know, it's at least much safer. Swimming. I'll give it to
I'll just give it.
Thank you.
I'm center. One more. Now this time. More together. One more.
Why do we put cards in the middle?
Yeah.
On right side. Just smile, please.
Straight everyone. Center. Everyone. Yeah. This camera.
Emerging like solo pictures. 1 second. Please take yeah.
Which channel?
Indo-Asian News Services.
Okay.
One-year bash, one-year competition. What do you want to say about the school?
Well, it's very exciting for us to be celebrating the first year anniversary of Dwar. Dwar has come a long way in the last year. We have a very exciting, very dynamic bouquet of designers with us. There are a number of very good designers from Bombay, which Vijeta will tell you about. But I personally am responsible for bringing some of the very classy top Delhi designers into my section, which is called Signature Series. So we have with us Mandira Virk, which is a very well-known designer. We have Rakesh Agarwal, who does very sexy gowns and evening wear. We also have Renu Tandon. We have Anupama Dayal with her quirky, very offbeat kind of styles. And we also have Anand Bhushan, who does very modern, cutting edge kind of fusion wear. So it's a good mix. And overall, I think we have a wonderful mix in Dwar. And I think we're looking forward to a good season ahead of us.
What do you want to say about the quality of product? What is the importance of quality in this type of store?
Quality obviously is of prime importance. That's something that we focus on. Well, it's a combination of quality and style, and of course the price. Price points are also important. And I think we have found a right balance here at Dwar, I hope.
You will open a lot of other stores in
Well, we are looking at expansion, but I think it's better to go slowly and consolidate. And I think in this last 1 year, we have consolidated with our Juhu store. So we look forward to another good season, and then yes, some expansion is definitely on the cards.
Lastly, how do you manage supply chain management of these products? How mainly supply chain management?
Supplies, it's not a problem. The designers are very good in delivering on time and delivering the quality that's required. So far, we haven't had a problem.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's called Dwar, na?
Right, it says that. Yeah. do you want to say about this store 1 year completion journey?
I would congratulate first of all Vijayta and Parth for doing this such great work, because when I came to know that they have kept new designers, upcoming designers clothes also, and some renowned or almost like already established designers clothes also, and they don't charge any money when they keep clothes of new designers. So it's a very nice thing, because it's just out of their passion they are doing it, and I've loved their dresses also. Quality, because they are trying to bring the traditional work, and they are having couture which is a combination of modern kind of fusion, but in saris especially, how they are keeping Banarsi saris or chanderis, which are not, especially in Mumbai, it's not available, at all the places. So, like I have to go to Fab India. That's the only place I get those saris. I already selected few plazos and traditional, kurtas, and few saris I'll be buying.
One more. Right. Right.
I'm not surprised. I was expecting them to really progress and do really well, which they have, and I'm sure they're going to do much better. And all my bestest wishes, and I hope this franchise goes a long, long, long way, and they keep doing as well as they're doing.
Quality. What is the importance of quality in these products?
For me, quality is extremely important, because there has to be value for money. No matter, even if you spend a rupee, there has to be a certain level of quality. So yes, and the store is known for quality and great service. So
what do you want to purchase from?
Everything.
Thank you.
Do you know Neera Jolly? Huh? Neera Jolly. Yes, she's my cousin sister. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, Narendra.
Yeah, no.
Thank you, Neera.
गणपति के टाइम पे
Correct.
Thank you so much.
what do you want to say about Dwar store 1 year completion?
I want to say congratulations and all the very best. I hope this is just the beginning and you have many, many, many more successful years.
What do you see quality? You eat quality products, so you came here. What is the importance of quality in the materials of
I
products?
think quality is most important in terms of the fabrics, the cuts, the kind of clothes you keep. It can't. It has to be above par.
What do you want to purchase from them?
I'm already wearing something that's absolutely spectacular for my friend's collection from Mandira Vir's collection, and I'm going to look in for some more.
Lastly, today Salman verdict has been given from
Hello,
court. What do you want to say?
What can I say?
Disappointed or?
Disappointed. Well, he's from the fraternity, so one obviously feels really bad for him and the family as well. I hope. I just hope he can get over these tough times.
Beauties, may I pass?
Yes, of course. Very good. How are you?
I don't know you. I'm Mandira.
That's her clothes.
Oh, great.
I'm wearing one of hers.
Lovely, lovely. I love both of you. Lovely.
Is that your phone?
Yes.
Can I give you my phone? मेरा phone से भी एक photo लेना हम लोग.
I'll anyway send it to you right now.
Send it anyway. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wait.
Thanks.
Shivani bites. Shivani, what do you want to say about this store? 1 year completed. How you are congratulating?
I was here last year also, and all the people, all the designers, most of them are very good friends. I love their work, and I just love fashion. I love to check out what's happening, what's on the scene. And yeah, this is in the heart of the city in Juhu. It's a beautiful location, and I love the name. Dwar is a beautiful name. And
What is the importance of quality in this product?
see, this is like an ensemble of different designers' work. So it's more like you get everything under one roof. So you come here and you have a lovely variety, wide variety of clothes, of jewelry and bags and all of that. So if you're in the mood to shop, you can just come in here and actually find everything that you're looking for.
Today Salman Khan convicted. What do you want to say about that?
I'm very fond of Salman Khan. I love his work. I love him as a person. And of course, if he goes in, definitely I'm going to really, every one of us is really going to miss him. It's just very unfortunate. The incident was, it had to be taken to court and all of that. And he was in a case which was a hit and run case. And the hearing has been going on for some time. And none of us are above the law. So we have to abide by what the law says.
Thank you.